Hi, welcome again to Ashmiz Amazing World. Today, I'm here with another enjoyable vlog in which I will give you a tour of some viewable places of Kolkata. Here is a sneak peek. Let's start the video. We started our journey from Kharda station and this is our full team. First, we reached Kolkata Shishir Moncho, where a small fair was going on, so we gave it a visit. This is how beautifully it was decorated. Our next destination was Academy of Fine Arts, where some amazing art pieces were exhibited. You should definitely come here if you visit Kolkata. Here is a small tour of the exhibition. Next, we went to the Cathedral Church. Outside the church were sculptures which represented the birth of Jesus Christ. The church was really calm and peaceful. If you are stressed or depressed, you should definitely visit here to calm yourself. Sadly, no photography was allowed inside, so you have to come and visit it by yourself. After this, we took a snack break and had chaat as a street food snack. Next, we visited Birla Planetarium and had to stand in a really long queue to watch our show. If you're someone who is interested in science and love to know about planets, then this is the best place for you. You can book your show online if you want, but you can get your tickets from here also. Now you can see us inside the hall and our show is about to start. It's really dark, but I hope you can see us. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to record the show, but you can always come and watch a show. I can assure you, it's really amazing. Next, we went to Victoria Memorial, but we only took the ticket for the grounds. Yeah, we didn't visit the memorial as we visited that previously. But here's a sneak peek only for you. Back in the grounds, there were two beautiful white swans. It was really nice to watch them. We even took a picture with them. Then we had a sort of small picnic, sitting in the grounds, gossiping and having snacks. What's the fun without little snacks, right? We four friends had a really nice time chatting under the cool shade of a tree. We also played various games together. And soon, it was evening. The memorial looked mesmerizing with its lights. So, it's time to return and it's the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this little tour with me. For more fun videos, subscribe to Ashmiz Amazing World. Meet you in my next video. Till then, be amazing.